In this video, I want to share a productivity software that I built, a time and habit management productivity software. I'll go through the UI or user interface demonstration of the software. So let's jump straight into the video. If you install the software and start the server, then it will redirect you to this login page with the admin login route, the localhost admin login, and it will redirect you to the sign in or login page. So if you are not already signed in, then you have to click the sign up for an account, and it will register your credentials and your information. So you can you can pass the name, email address, at the password, credentials, and this will create an account, and you can then sign in to your account. So I already have created an account, so I'll just sign in with my credentials. So this will take you to the dashboard here, and as you can see, the dashboard has a few or 6 stat cards and 2 chart cards. So first I'll go to the tasks. There are a lot of features here. So the two most important features are tasks and habits. So if I go to tasks, as you can see, this is a full CRUD operation of tasks with search and pagination functionality, and the tasks also show the priority status, the due date, the description of the task, as you can see. So you can edit and delete the task, you can create a new task, as you can see, the due date, the description, the priority, you can set the priority, etc. You can set the status, and you can create the task. And if you create the task, it will send you a notification here that the task has been created. You can of course delete the notification once, or read the notification with the mark as always read. Then it will set the rate at to not null. So as you can see, this is a task, full task related operation. You can search the tasks here. You can paginate. As you can see, there is only 2 records here, so that's why the pagination is not showing. Otherwise there will be pagination here. So as you can see, the tasks are here. So same for habits as well. So you can create a habit, you can create a new habit with the habit name, description, the goal frequency. The goal frequency is daily, weekly, monthly. So basically, what is your habit, what is your habit, what do you want to have, do you want to maintain the habit daily or weekly or monthly, etc. And the target count is how many times. So if I want to create an or maintain a habit weekly, so how many times weekly? So 5 times weekly, etc. So the streak count is basically the number of successful goal completion. So if I complete a goal, for example, I exercised 5 times weekly, then and I did it consecutive 2 weeks, then the streak count would be 2. Okay, so you can create a habit like this, and when you create a habit, there will be a notification that the habit has been created, and you can then clear the notification, check the notification. So this is habit. So the habit progress here is when you create a habit, it will automatically generate a habit progress record to keep track of the progress of the habit. So as you can see, there is a full list of habit progress information. So this is how you can do the habit progress. So the notifications list is basically this notification list. The notification list basically shows the list of notifications. You can search notifications, information, etc. So the notification has, you can delete notifications, you can search and paginate notifications, etc. So this is the notifications. So if I go to the dashboard now, the dashboard has 6 stat widgets. So 3 from tasks and 3 for habits. So the tasks basically the completed tasks, the total completed tasks that I have done so far, the pending tasks, that the tasks that have been pending that I haven't completed yet, the total number of pending tasks, and the completion rate is basically a percentage of how many or what percentage of tasks that I have completed. So for habits, there is very similar stats, like completed habits, how many habits I have completed, what is the completion rate, and what is the habit consistency score. Score is based on the streak count, like I have done success. For example, I have successful, like for example, I have a goal that I want to exercise 5 times weekly. So I have done this week after week, let's say consecutive 3 weeks. So the habit consistency score basically calculates based on the streak count, that how many consecutive weeks I have been able to maintain that habit. So this is how I calculate the habit consistency score. And there are also two charge widgets here, created habits and created tasks. So the created habits basically creates a, like basically gives you the stats of total number of habits created, and the date also gives which date the habit was created. And the created task is very similar, it also shows the date and which tasks have been created so far. So you can keep track of how many tasks and how many habits you have created. So these are the analytics that are generated in the dashboard based on the task and habits, etc. So this is the basic overview of this software.